Hello iPhone users, to stack the widgets, I'm going to show you how you do that. For that, you just add any widget. So this is one that I have slided, and this is called widget stack. Now, to stack the widgets, you have to have widgets of same size. So that was not in the screen that you saw. Now I hold the screen and tap on the plus sign on top left corner, and you see I'm selecting this Paytm app as my widget, and I will add one more widget to here to make it into a stack. Right now that both widgets are in home screen, I can hold one and slide it to on the other, and see, now the slide is here, two widgets are together, which is called a widget stack. So I have two widget stack on my home screen, one already there and the other right away, which I created in front of you. And that's how we do it. Useful, and you're gonna check more videos. Tada.